This enterprise test data tutorial video, we're going to look at data discovery and how we can build out data catalogs, which are a single source of truth for all data assets across your organization. Data discovery can be used to automatically map, catalog, and visualize all data assets across your organization. This provides a unified view of all of your data assets. It means you can understand where your most critical data is stored and how it's being used to ensure compliance with regulations. Data discovery is the first step of any test data routine. In this tutorial, we're going to firstly connect to a database. We're then going to scan a database. We're going to create a definition. And finally, we're going to review a data catalog. Okay, so we're inside the Curiosity portal. And the first thing we're going to do is create a new database connection. And this is going to be for our Curiosity Bank application. We're going to be connecting into a Postgres server. We're just going to be connecting over the standard Postgres instance here. Provide a username and password, click OK. Now, once you're connected, that connection will appear in databases. You can go inside and this will show you details about the connection you have. You can provide comments and other attributes. What we're going to do is we're going to run a scan, and a scan is going to go away and look at this database and figure out everything associated with it, all the schemas, all the tables, all the columns, everything that exists within this database. We'll see our scan is complete here. If we come back up to our connection, what we'll see is that we have a scan underneath it here. If we open that scan, we'll be able to see the schemas that are available. And within those schemas, we can see all the columns and all of the attributes which exist. So if we go in something like the employees table here, we can see all the different columns that are registered, the different data types and attributes about them. Now, the next step we can do once we have a scan is we can come in and we can create a definition. So we're going to create that definition from a database. We're going to use our existing connection. We're going to use the scan we just performed. We'll go to the definition. What we'll see is that same view here. We've got all of our schemas, all of our tables, and all of our attributes. Now, what we can do once we're in this view is we can start to come out and we can start to understand what data exists. We can start to look at different visualizations like entity relationships and understand what data we have, how it is connected together, and what attributes exist within each of these tables we're connected into. Once you have created a definition, it appears inside your data catalog inside the definitions view. What this means is over time you can build up a comprehensive data catalog of all of the data that exists within your organization. And thus means that at any time, a particular scan of a database we have, and I can see all of the data that exists underneath that particular data source we have in our organization. So this allows me to build up a data catalog over time of all of the data that exists in my organization. And it provides me a single source of truth in understanding that data and where it is used and what data exists within it. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more, visit curiositysoftware.ie.